How to tie a snake knot. If you hold it like this, take the bottom cord over the top cord, take the top cord around the back of the bottom cord, up and through. So it looks like this. And then just cinch the knot up tight. There you go. Like that. Perfect snake knot. Go through it again. The bottom cord over the top. Take the bottom cord around the back, over and through the loop. And then just tighten the knots up. Like so. Last time, bottom cord over the top, make a little loop, round the back and through, and tighten the knot up. And there you go, 3 smart snake knots. Thank you.